Good evening, all. So, I welcome you all to this session, and I will be starting with the questionnaire. Uh, Deepak, what is your future goal?
My goal is to become a scientist. It doesn't matter in what field.
Joyce Mayer, so what is your future goal?
My goal is to become an police officer.
Deepak,
Yes.
yeah, apart from scientist.
Okay. So apart from scientist, I want to become a manga artist.
Hmm. Okay.
And apart from that, I have this one long-term goal. So no matter what I do, I want to earn like a lot of money, like a hell lot of money, and adopt all of the street dogs and breed them really well.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So nice of you.
Do you all prepared any strategy for upcoming exams?
One day batting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then Joyce Mayer.
Joyce Mayer,
Yes, Japan.
Yeah, like have you
strategy for our
prepared
upcoming
for
exams.
upcoming exams?
No, nothing like that.
Yeah, like when you started preparation.
No,
Okay, so when you will start the preparation?
I'll start soon.
Okay.
Or else has like Deepak one day battle.
Mostly.
All of them belong to same category.
Yes, yes.
Deepak, did you involved in any one of the projects in ESL?
No, just I gave name for digital marketing.
Okay.
Well, I
Okay.
started working for Kingsman Associates. It's actually a real estate project.
Okay.
And
Okay.
also I'm a part of Pro2 team.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. And Joyce Mayer?
Yes,
Yeah, like are you involved or going to involve?
I'm going to involve
Okay. Like in what
Like,
projects you are interested?
in digital marketing.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, till now you are not working in any project, right?
No, I don't have any idea about.
Okay.
Yeah. Praneeth is also added. So Praneeth, welcome to this session. Where is he?
Welcome, Ranit.
Hi.
Hi Praneeth.
Hi. Good evening, Pranit.
Good evening.
Good evening. So what is your future goal?
నాదా
Yeah.
ఫ్యూచర్ గోల్ అది బీఆర్సీలో జాబ్ లేకపోతే రెండిట్లో ఒకటి.
Okay. Do you want to change your goal in 4 years? I think maybe it may change. So or else you want to attach with only one, like you have chosen BRC something.
గేట్ రాస్తా.
Okay.
ఇంకా వేరే ఆప్షన్స్ బట్టి ఇక మనకి అప్పుడు ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటే ఆ ఆప్షన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా.
Okay.
Apart from studies, like what you all are interested in, like in any cultural activities like that, apart from studies?
స్టడీస్ కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఎస్ వీఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్.
Like any artwork or paintings, like anything, dance or anything?
Cultural active hosting I like more than dancing. Hosting I like much.
Okay.
Also some may like to do video editing, graphics, some other. So any one of you are doing that?
Well, when it comes to cultural activities, I love music and dance and reading in that field, I like gaming and also video editing.
Okay.
Okay. So like you said on the other, like on Spotlight, you said that you will be doing some, like you will be watching some animations.
Anime, it is.
Anime. Sorry, anime.
Okay.
Okay. So Joyce Mayer,
Yes.
yeah, what you do apart from studies, your cultural activities?
I'm interested in drawings,
Yeah.
interested in arts.
Wow. So what you all think about ESL? Pranit, you start.
It's a very good platform for us for encouraging ourselves and supporting each others, and it helps us to get confidence in us, and it also encourage us to talk in front of everyone and talk with our friends and be friendly with everyone,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Okay. So Deepak.
Your thoughts about ESL?
Well, I joined in the university this year, like 1 month back or so. And so I don't have much of an idea. I mean, I don't have a total idea of what ESL is, but whatever I have experienced now and what I have heard from Shravan sir and all. So I think through ESL, I can actually use my 4 years to acquire whatever, to learn whatever the skills I'm interested in apart from study. So yeah, it's a great class.
So
Okay,
Joyce
thank you.
Mayer.
Yeah, I think ESL is the best platform to explore ourselves
Hmm.
and to share our ideas
Yeah.
and to know each other well.
Hmm.
And it is a platform to meet many dignitaries.
Yeah.
Just improve our skills.
Yeah. Thank you, Joyce Mayer. Then, like, what is the best thing happened in school or college? Your memorable moments.
We are going with very serious meeting. It's just a funny meeting, and we can interact with very freely. Everyone,
Like,
I think you people are
what is
thinking it's a
the best
fun. It's
memorable
very
moment?
serious.
Like, where did you get, in school or in college? You can say whatever you want, no problem. You can say your views.
Yeah.
Let us start with Joyce Mayer. Like, what is your best moment in your schooling or in college?
During examinations, I'm and my friends are in dormitories, and our house madam just went to principal chamber. It became a issue. So that's was memory.
So, like, is it a good or bad memory for you?
Good memory. It's a funny,
Okay.
funny thing.
Okay. So, Deepak, what about yours?
Well, this incident is from my when I was taking 10th board exams. So it was actually social paper 2.
Mm.
So what happened is the desk in front of mine, I mean, in the desk or the bench which is in front of me, there was a geometry box. There's a
Compass, compass or yeah,
like
compass.
a geometry box, like that two students are left it there. So there is world map on it.
Okay.
All of these 3 benches we all copied our map pointing from that box.
Oh my God.
Oh.
You have helped a lot of members.
Yeah, like 6 members also. Well, we directly use the box with numbers, and we spread it like throughout the whole class. And I got 10 points in social, which
Then what did sir
actually
said
I'm
about
really
it?
bad
Like
at
everyone will be
social
getting.
studies.
Oh, like
Yeah,
everyone.
that was one of the memorable moment.
What did sir do?
Well, he was just sitting in like there was a table and a chair for invigilator, like in front of all the benches. So he was
Yeah.
just sitting there
Oh,
watching everyone. That was the most memorable one.
oh wow. Was the most funniest thing till now. Like, did you ever fall asleep in classroom in intermediate? Sorry, like Praneeth.
Class, it's everyday common thing. I actually do night outs only. So I up to 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock we read, and next day we get up at 5 o'clock, come to class, sleep, and next continuous process. We
Oh,
sleep.
okay. In
What
physics,
about you?
what's yeah? In physics class, I used to sleep.
It's it's common. It's
It's
common.
common to
Nothing happens.
everyone now.
So when I was in 8th, I was a first bench student. So
Yeah.
it was maths class. I used to hear with I used to listen really carefully and with a lot of interest.
Mm.
Maths class every day. But that day I actually ate a lot. So the class was after lunch break. So if
Yeah.
you take a video of me where in the class, you can see me as a drunkard. I I hit my head like 3 times. Like I was falling asleep, like down and up, down and up. So then ma'am stood me up and told me to go wash my face. And I was a new joiner at that time. It's a totally embarrassing incident. So from the next day, I started sitting in last bench.
Oh, last benchers. Who are all
Yeah.
last
Since
benchers
then,
here?
Myself.
Yeah,
Myself,
myself.
Last second bench one.
mine's last bench.
Wow, all last benchers. They all are tops.
yes, I'm totally last bench. And in second year, I shifted to first bench.
Oh,
Like
like
there were some reasons, so I
okay,
changed.
okay. Uh, so like, did you ever lie to your parents about anything? Like you want to buy something, or like you want to go
Or
out with friends. So
grades, academics, anything.
academics also, like about your grades, like that.
No, not at all.
Wow, so nice.
No, Deep, Praneeth completed, then Deepak.
I never lied about my grades. I just hid my exam papers. That's it. My exam papers and report card, which
Mm.
sooner or later they just reveal themselves. And yeah,
Okay, so Joyce Meyer.
I never lied about grades or ranks, but I just covered about it,
Okay.
like not showing.
Yeah. Okay.
well, I actually lied about something like when I was in third.
Mm.
So
Third standard.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
So,
It's a long time.
so me and my friends were cycling. So we never cycle like a human. So we
Mm.
used to do like a lot of stunts. And so what happened is my leg got slipped from pedal and it stuck in front tire.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So uh, a big wound has occurred in that spot. So what I told is for my mom, I just slipped from the road and I just scratched it against a rock or something like that.
Okay.
So
So
really scared because if I say tell the truth, she will never let me cycle again.
yeah, yeah. Like how many days it took to recover?
Well, I can say 2 months or so. Like it's a really big injury. So
Okay.
it took like 2 months to recover. And
Wow.
2 tetanus injections.
Oh my God. At that age, you suffered a lot. Means 3 months bed rest means it's not that easy.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't in bed rest or something like that. So it was a major injury, but not like I can't walk anymore or so. I just unable to walk on that one day. From the next day, I can walk like a normal person, but this wound. So to recover from so for that wound to heal, it took 2 months.
Okay. Like we have only 5 minutes time. So the last question we want to ask is like share your opinions or suggestions or comments, anything about this session. Like your wish, you can say your suggestions or comments, anything you needed. I will start with Deepak.
Well, this is a nice session, but I have something to say, and I'm really sorry if it hurts you or something. Well, there are some, I mean, at certain points, you just ask questions randomly. So you haven't asked like some particular person to answer. So
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry for that, and we
we
will never
got
repeat that.
confused who,
Mm,
yeah.
Yeah.
So
sorry for your
who should answer
inconvenience.
or something like
Okay.
so that's just one complaint, and apart from that, it's a really good session.
Thank you so much. And it was funny session also. And
Yeah,
thank you,
really.
Deepak. There are many funny moments you shared with us. So thank you so much, Deepak. And we will move on. Like
Thank you, Deepak.
repeat that mistake again. We are sorry for that. And we will thank you, Deepak. And also sorry. We will move on to Praneeth.
Thank you for getting me in this call. I don't have any complaints about this call. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. Thank you, Praneeth.
Thank you, Pranit.
Thank you for expressing your thoughts. And you have expressed it you have shared what's there in your mind, and thank you for that. Even though you don't have time, like you try to
Uh,
meeting. Thank you for that. And we will move on to Joyce Meyer.
It's a nice section, and it's a pleasure to interact with you guys.
Yeah.
No
Thank-
complaints, nothing. I think it's a funny session.
Oh, thank you. Like this Deepak and Praneeth Kumar, they are like they make this session very funny.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Yes, and thank
Thank
you
you.
for
Thank you.
attending this meeting, and it was a great session. Thank you all, and have a nice day. Harichindana, you end up by seeing your views.
Nothing. Thank you, everyone, for attending and spending time with us. Thank you.
Thank you, and bye. Have a nice day.